I might just mention here, final fixed power and lockup. Now in my case the lockup required some roller doors. Make sure that you've got your roller doors all fitted before you undo that strap that supports them at the top. Otherwise it'll unspring on you and you have a big problem. So the procedure for a roller door, if I can get up there and get some light on that, the procedure for that, it's quite straightforward if you know what you're doing or you've got an extra pair of hands or something like that. You follow the instructions, of course, and you've got your mounting brackets that you get your roller up on there. I used a forklift to lift mine up, so it made it quite easy. Get that all bolted in place, get your correct distance from the wall, and then you pull your sheeting down about a third of the way and jam a piece of wood in there so it won't wrap up. Fit on your side channels and make sure your locking system is all on there and in place. And your locking system has to have that little plastic insert that runs in the runner. Fit that over there before the channels go on, and that'll all fit together very nicely. You can do some fine tuning later on, but lockup is get the roller door up, get it bolted on, pull it down a third of the way and put a block of wood in it, and then put your side trims on, get your locks on, and you've finally finished your shed.